guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp. We are going in Family Dollar to check out some new clearances that they have going on. Let's go and hopefully we'll score some deals. Okay, guys, so the first thing we're going to do is look at when I come in. These were in a basket, but I don't want to be recording in front of her, so that's why I came over here. These are, see that it says 450. They're the Glad candles. They're the Jubilant with lavender and peach. They smell fantastic. Okay, I've had these before. And when I scan them, they are $2.50. They do not have a coupon attached to them, but that's fine. So the next thing I see are these right here. Now they are coming up 75 cents. I'm still debating if I want to buy this or not, okay? And they are 75 cents. So I'm going to check out some more of their air fresheners because there is a big sale going on, so I can check those. And don't forget, guys, to keep scanning at these right here because these should be $1 or $2. And by the way, uh, I'm having a garage sale. I'm going to record it so you guys can see. So all the stuff that I didn't donate, I'm going to have a garage sale and giveaway. Okay. But you guys see these right here. You saw me at the other store with these. These are $2. These are $2 right here. So some ideas that you can do for your garage sales, or if you're gonna sell these right here, I would try and get sets. So if you could find like these, and you can find jogging pants to go with them, gray or blue, or possibly green or black or white, I would put together sets and sell them as sets. I sold sets, bundles for five sets, and I sold for $55. I added some of the dollar socks and some of the 50-cent t-shirts. So that's how I did mine. I was trying to get rid of that and all of that I didn't give away at the group homes. Okay. Okay, guys. So you see this right here. It's a large on here, but a small on there, which is fine. Has this on it. I scanned it. Guess how much it is? Let me show it to you. $1.13. So I'll definitely be adding that into my bundles. I'm going to also get this one right here. Okay, so when I look through here, I do see some joggers. Oh, those on sale. They should be about $2. Yep, $2. So you guys already know what I'm going to do. These are 7/8. Make sure you're checking here to see if it's a 7/8. So I'm going to grab these. And then I'm going to grab a 7/8 shirt over here if they have them. So they don't have an 8. So that's fine. And there is a complete set right here. See? Now, I don't know if this is girls or boys, but if it's a boy, take this loose and tie it into a knot. You can't tell the difference. See that? That's a whole set for $3. I will sell this set for $6. Okay? So you want to at least, and don't forget, guys, this plus a jacket. Now, that whole set, $10. That's how you, if you're going to sell something, make a profit off of it, that's how you're going to do it. So go through all of this, go through it. As you can see, I'm finding hidden gems in it. So I usually go through all of, like, I know this is cheap too. It's probably $1. Okay. These will be on sale next. So that'll be our next couple. And these were like $1. I bought them for my mom, but they had a black square on them. Yep, they $4.50. So they are 62% off. I knew these had been on sale, and it says small. I'm gonna actually grab those because I'm gonna sell those also. Now this might be their clearance part over here, but they do have a lot of them there. So now you guys don't see me grab a lot of baby clothes because I sell to mostly people with school age kids. You see these right here, guys, and I'm kind of disappointed at the price. $12.50. They're actually still They're $5. I just feel like they should be lower than that, so I'm not gonna get those at all. I only picked up those other pants because they was cheap for my mom. But other than that, I'm not gonna get them. See this black history shirt? It's a $9. You see that? That's beautiful. Look, $3.50. Now, This will be a shirt I will buy and sell. I will sell this. Okay. So this is a good shirt. This will be a good sale. You need to know what is a good sale if you're gonna resell it. Okay. By the way, these are new finds. These are new finds. Another new find is this one right here. Black Excellence, and it said it's $9. But when I scan it, of course, it come up 350. I'm gonna grab this too. I know some little boys that they'll love this one and they'll love Black History in the Making. So I've been digging back here, guys. Back here. Okay. Okay, see this red t-shirt? It's men. $6. When I scan it, it's $2. Hey guys, so you already know Blue Dot is on sale. Blue Dot is on sale now. Guys, I'm gonna go to another Family Dollar and grab these because they are Mr. Clean's 3 for $5.50 or $2.25 each. They don't have 3. I want to get 3 of those. I use those for my dogs. I need them. Hey guys, I want you to look at these. See this Walmart laundry detergent. My grandmother used to use this when I was little. The best. I'm gonna show you how much it is when I scan it. $1.48. These are also on sale, but they are the little tiny bags with Ariels. These are also laundry detergents, and theirs are 88¢. So I'm gonna grab some of the Walmarts and grab some of the Ariels because those are a big deal in the Hispanic community. And these giant bags of Foca laundry detergent, $2.70. Quit being brand loyal, because I can tell you right now, they've been out the secret. This is it right here. I'm grabbing these. You see this big Foca that you see with it laying on the floor? It's $10. It's actually $5. This is $5. This is good too. Here it is right here. So I'm gonna grab these right here. Cause I mean, like, you talking about some good detergent. Oh God, I just bust that. Grab these little areas. Yeah, right here. And here's another one. And let me grab some Walmarts. These, I mean, guys, y'all don't know this stuff is lit. It works. Works very good, actually. Hey guys, the Zolt is 83¢. Now, this is whitening. You guys know that that's what the Hispanics use this for white. And I want to grab some of these. Like, I can hit the jackpot up in here. Grab some of these. Now, garage sale, yes, it will be. It will be for my garage sale. Not gonna grab it all, but I got a person that she'll be here to get it. You see the Swabble $2.30. It's $1.25 now. So looks like this is the counter for their discounted stuff in the laundry area. And I looked at that. That wasn't on sale at Ariel. Just a little FYI, guys. If you can find it, if you could find the 2-pack of regular Febreze like this, just the regular Febreze, it's supposed to be $2, but I can't find any. They don't have any. I don't know if they sold it or pulled it or what happened. The cat food is on there for $6.25. The Tidy Cats. This one right here, so I'm gonna grab that one. I only can get one because, as you can see, my buddy is overcrowded. Okay, so here I am right here. All the clothes I got are right here. And then this is that. I get right there. Okay, guys, let me get out of here. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share. I just keep on counting, guys, so I can keep bringing you these videos. Bye, guys. Before I left out of the store, the Febreze is right here. The ones I told you were on sale for $2. There it is, right there. They were here. They were right here. Somebody cleared those away, but that's where they were at. So look on the end caps in these boxes, and that's where you'll find